Hey, rough day, But you've come too far to give up now. You work for too long and too hard for us to throw it away. I don't care how old you are. I don't care how you used to live or what position you used to have, how much money you used to make, or, the place you used to live in, or big life where you used to live. You can't give up. You hear me? You can't give up. I want you to say it with me. I can't give up. Hold on. Are you me talking now? You think I joke me I make? Say it one more time. I cannot give up. All right. Now, if you think you're bad, say it one more time. I cannot give up. It make you feel better, right? Yo, don't keep this to yourself. If you know somebody going through a tough time, share this with them right now. You are not alone, my dear. And we don't want them to feel alone. We are all in this thing together. We're pushing through it. We are fighting the doubts and we are fighting the fear. We are throwing the shame and the guilt. You understand? You cannot give up. It's one of the reasons why I wrote this specific song.
And no disaster can overtake me. I'll conquer. My Father is a way maker. And I can't give up. Look how far you brought me from. Can't give up, 'cause I know where I belong. Can't give up. Every step you held my hand. Can't give up, 'cause I know who I am. Victory, my God, my God. Victory, my God, my God, my God, my God, how you love me.
So you know what I want you to do? Tap the link in bio to add this song to your playlist. Anytime you feel like you got through it, you can't give up, you can't give up, you can't give up. And then I want you to jump in the comment section and tell me why you can't give up today. Let's support each other. Love you, but God love you no more.